A winter storm dumped up to nearly 40 inches of snow in northern Arizona on Sunday, with the Flagstaff area getting between 22 and 28 inches of snowfall, according to the National Weather Service. With more snow expected Monday, Northern Arizona University announced it was canceling all classes Tuesday on the Flagstaff Mountain campus due to the storm. But school officials said classes held at other NAU locations, including online, will meet at their regular time and place. Arizona Department of Transportation officials said multiple closures were in place Sunday for State Route 64 in the Grand Canyon area and northbound State Route 89 near Sedona through Kachina Village. "We have 200 snowplows statewide that are working around the clock to get the roads clear," said David Woodfill, an ADOT spokesman. "Before these storms, we're always out ahead of time, prepping the roads with de-icing material." Around the southwest, mountainous areas west of Las Vegas, northern New Mexico, and other mountainous areas also were expected to see heavy snowfall during the holiday weekend. The National Weather Service predicted up to 21 inches of snow in Chama, although most of northern New Mexico will see far less.